In the office today, we have a new bike from Engwe, which has only just gone on sale. It is the P26. So let's unravel it, or unbox it, see what it's like. Toolkit, pedals, really crap adapters that they insist on giving to us. Charger, 42 volt 2 amp charge. I wish they'd do proper plugs. Proper plugs, please. Instruction manual. Right, finally all that packaging's off. It looks like it's just going to be the pedals, wheel, mudguard and handlebars. It's just snapping out. Right, that's theirs. That's mine. I promise I haven't tried mine yet. Oh. Right, I'm gonna forgive him because I've been pushing it the wrong way. Okay, it's a loosening there. I'm an idiot. I love these hooks. Just peace of mind that if it ever gets a bit loose, it's hooked in. All bikes should have them. The Engine Pro does not. At least the one I've got doesn't. Am I done? I think I'm done. I wasn't done. We got the pedals. Right, this is the right pedal, tells you there. And this is the left, and it's telling me to go counterclockwise. So if you do find this pointing the wrong way, there's a little cover here. Just unscrew or loosen that, turn it round so it's the right way, and then re-tighten. Right, sadly, I didn't get a chance to take this out today because of the charging. When it came, it was on 4 bars, but sadly, it still took about 4 hours to charge. I only expected it to take about an hour. Oh well. So what we'll do is we'll get some close-ups of the bike, have a good look around it, and then soon, very soon, I'll take it out for a spin, see how it rides. So let's have a closer look. So this is the Engwe P26. It is a 250 watt legal e-bike, and it's the commuter type style. So it's got your rear rack, you've got your rear lights, which I believe are not brake lights. No, they are brake lights. That's a brake light, that is, can confirm. Front light. So let's turn the lights on. Here we go. I'll take that out at night time to see how they do. We have got front suspension, which is lockable, which is handy because sometimes you just don't want to be squidgy. It's being an Engwe, it's got its new front nose end, that kind of wide with the Engwe symbol on it there. You can see the cable management is quite good on this bike, I must say. All the cables go into this nice little Engwe thing, and then they go in to the bike under there. Let's get a better... Where's he going? There we go. Goes in there. So then, whoops, you can see this main body of the bike doesn't have loads of wires strapped to the underside like they often do. So that looks really tidy. Just in general, it is a really nice looking, sophisticated looking bike. If you're wondering what that stick is, that's just my extending pole for the camera, just for ready when I take it out for a spin. So let's have a look at the brakes. We've got Wixing brakes. I mean, they feel alright. I can't actually tell if it's plastic. I think they're metal. They are metal, they're cold. There you go. Mechanical disc brakes. Well, mechanical brakes, and they are also disc brakes. We have got a bell, which isn't quite as chimey as I would have liked. And we've also got a cat doing a poo. Bugger. Right, we've got the up and down with the speed. 2, 3, 4, 5. The computer is very nice. It's the same one. It's very visible, very usable. That is seen on the Engwe EP2 Pro. You got your trip, you got your Odo, you got your max speed, you got your average speed. Currently it's in miles per hour. It was in kilometers per hour. You can change that by delving into the settings, and it's fairly simple. At the moment the throttle is not enabled, which is what makes this street legal right now. If we enable the throttle, it is no longer street legal. Also, the speed is limited to 25 kilometers per hour, 15.5 miles per hour, which means this, like I say, is totally legal in the UK. Obviously, if you unlock it and then if you engage the throttle, it's no longer technically legal, although this bike's not going to be tearing up the pavements. I doubt very, very much you'd ever get into trouble riding this bike. So, what we got here? Pro wheel on the pedal stalks, and the actual pedals themselves, metal by Wellgo. We have got the 7-speed gear cassette, Shimano Tourney, which is their entry level, does the job. You got this little logo here that says disc, just in case you could not see the actual discs. On here we've got, it says aluminium light 6061. Got this nice little painted on pattern. That looks quite cool, that does. I quite like the colour of this bike. It comes in grey as well. Got the handlebars. This adjusts that way and that way, and you can rotate that, but it doesn't do much else. Don't think it comes up. If you want it higher, you just have to raise that. The seat is quick release. Ta-da. This, the rack, nice and sturdy. The mudguards, also metal and sturdy, and I've adjusted them so they shouldn't be clangy as well. And then we've got the battery that you can remove by turning the key. So if I turn the key, the battery then pops up, and you can. Am I zoomed in again? No. Oh god, that stinks. Why does that cat always do a poo when I'm in here? Oh, sorry, I'm gonna. Oh god. Right, anyway, there's the 250 watt motor. I don't think it's branded or anything like that. He's got some sort of quality passing there. Let's have a look again at the brakes. There you go. There's the back brakes and the front brakes. I had to adjust these brakes when it came. They were rubbing. Alright, let's put that back in. That is a 17 amp hour 36 volt battery, and apparently this bike with pedalling can do about 100 kilometers. We shall see. I'll put the other ranges on the screen as well. We've got reflector, spoked wheels. These are 26-inch wheels. Not sure about the thickness. And they are Chaoyang tyres. And that's about it really. So next time we'll take this for a spin. You found this video a bit useful or a bit interesting, hit that like button. If you like your e-bike content or any other electric vehicle content, don't forget to subscribe. We'll have a review of the C20 Pro soon. We've already done the first impressions, but the review is coming very, very soon. So, until next time, ride safe.